If you run a small business, AI only matters if it saves time, cuts repetitive work, or helps your team move faster. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 AI tools that are actually useful for small businesses in 2026. This isn't a list of flashy demos. It's a practical shortlist for writing, meetings, automation, design, and everyday business work. The goal is simple: help you pick the right tool faster. First, ChatGPT Business. If you want one general-purpose AI assistant for writing, planning, research, summaries, brainstorming, and internal workflows, ChatGPT Business is one of the strongest starting points. Second, Google Workspace with Gemini. If your business already runs on Gmail, Docs, Meet, and Sheets, Google Workspace with Gemini is a very practical choice. Third, Zapier. If your biggest problem is repetitive admin work, Zapier belongs on your shortlist. It's the tool to look at when you want leads routed automatically, forms synced, emails triggered, spreadsheets updated, or multiple tools connected without manual copy-paste work. Fourth, Notion AI. If your business loses time in meetings, messy notes, scattered docs, and forgotten follow-ups, Notion AI is worth serious attention. Fifth, Canva AI. If your business needs content, visuals, marketing assets, or fast design output, Canva AI is one of the easiest ways to move faster. So which one should you start with? If you want one general AI assistant, start with ChatGPT Business. If your company lives in Gmail and Docs, start with Gemini and Workspace. If your problem is repetitive workflows, start with Zapier. If your problem is meetings and internal organization, start with Notion AI. If your problem is content and design, start with Canva AI. The smartest move is not buying every AI tool. It's picking the one that solves your biggest time drain first. Subscribe to Arcane Redux for more practical AI tools, workflow breakdowns, and smart business systems.